I'm sure you've heard the news. Today's digital landscape is tougher than ever. But guess what? Your website can be your secret weapon. In these challenging times, your website isn't just a digital brochure, it's your dynamic storefront. To truly stand out, focus on innovative tactics like enhancing user experience. Think of it like this. A seamless, easy-to-navigate site keeps customers coming back. Real-world example. Imagine a bakery updating their site to include an intuitive online ordering system. Sales skyrocket. That's the power of adaptability. Next, make sure your site is mobile-friendly. With more people browsing on their phones, a responsive design is crucial. Boost user engagement and watch conversion rates soar. Don't forget SEO. Optimizing your content helps new customers find you easily. Plus, regularly updated content keeps your business fresh and relevant. Lastly, integrate e-commerce and social media features. Streamline purchasing and build a community around your brand. Automated tools, they enhance efficiency and customer experience. Transform your website today and turn uncertainty into opportunity. Your small business deserves it.